Hi, GCDs, Mema Obibia Aquaba. Are the latest and hot news of one of the Bramo and Uti, Sabunia, subscribe ya, Messrs. Obermodiana was subscribed to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We answer new video here, upload. Also, what's a Ebekabi. I feel we are now one like video, no give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for Suna when you be now one here. Afi yɛhwɛ nsɛm a bɛtɔ yɛpono so ɛyɛ Captain Smart ɛyɛ Onya TV morning show host na wotumi hu sɛ yɛ suspend no anaasɛ yɛpam no ayɛ nsɛm bebree ɛyɛ nsɛm bi a wɔde tu bia mmebi a wɔdi ne dwuma a wɔkyerɛ sɛ wɔn a bɛtɔ ama yɛ NPP no woyɛ beast kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ aboa sɛbi na ɛno na ɛyɛ GJ foɔ ɛyɛ Ghana Journalists Association ɛne GIBA Ghana Independent Broadcasters wɔne kɔyɛ nhyiamu na topic appeal no Captain Smart na say one ko discuss no then na koye ensem bebre ama captain so aba responding to one ensem a one di tuga na one say media general baby captain edi ni duma nke be ya one twen Captain Smart aso na captain so aba react edi ensem tuga fa one DJ president a friend no before captain ensem bebre atuga wo say one ko nhyimu one ko ma one sika wo say 230,000 ena yede ma wo na captain aka nsem bebre afa wane ho na yesem yinti DJ ono ne nsem o kan fa Captain Smart no na fe reaction of Captain Smart so ekwaso yinti nsem a ekọ so yinti nsem no yinti.
Over the weekend, for example, we heard the disturbing and reckless comments of our very own colleague Blessed Gosbrain Smart, aka Captain Smart, made on Accra-based Onya. Over the weekend, for example, we heard the disturbing and reckless comments of our very own colleague Blessed Gosbrain Smart, aka Captain Smart, made on Accra-based Onya TV. He described as beast people who would vote for the new patriotic party in the December elections. Given the severity of his utterances and the ethical breach, we call on the board and management of Media General to take immediate action to mete out appropriate sanctions to Mr. Smart. This will not serve as a deterrent to others, but will enhance public confidence in the media organization as an organization that detests unprofessional conduct. Over the weekend, for example, we heard the disturbing and reckless comments of our very own colleague Blessed Gosbrain Smart, aka Captain Smart, made on
John 4. Bernard Mona, you see your friend John 4. I don't know the personal issues with Captain Smart. I don't know John 4 personal issues with Captain Smart. Captain Smart say obia betuaba ama MPP bia oye beast enti John 4 ese ofre Onya Angrophone from say Onya FM or Onya TV management. Is it TV or FM? Which is which? Ofre almost say Onya for no and sanction Captain Smart. John 4 to Chrome ha. Ana Canadian Japan turn the radio to say MPP for na yamwa. Beast name what is the difference? Captain Smart afre say obi obeto aba MPP bia. What to Chrome ha? A Chrome ha. Ana Canadian Japan turn the radio so. You did not get the proper sense to tell NCSN omunko asma Canadian Japan kind no. Omunko to a radio station. You see, sometimes these guys, may I judge of John 4 guy, I don't know him. And anyway, so Captain Smart Emma or more reply. And I think as a captain what Ghana ha, we should allow him to respond. And yet maybe Biena may respond ya amano. Yakokase kumase for enono. Onya akwaba.
Mejo suminia.
Boko de.
Oh, about the Daruma. me ho ye me ma me ama metuane di
ami awie me who say why busy kakra that say we free busy schedules mu na aja wa che okay so you see Anra Jonfo ne Giba ne ayefo koshiaye say omo kwa preach about hate speech and they specifically mentioned you ewo omo a press conference ni mu esan say wo nti no menje wasam nka wa hu what it was saying
the kind of my show you let me share with you na hu wo mo invitation letter now I think if I say other media houses no any number one dan seven o mo kaka fa me no makai bi na madofo bi so afremi aka bi nsem bi akere me na mu video bi a mo interview abrantie Jonfo akano na oye adwuma ewo ye atenka FM bo ye na ayi nim de course wo ho ono na ye mutije president today Matridi ono so eka entibate
as you were saying what tea from Jonfo ya obie na no akasa asem no how do you feel
Minia did kind of everyone was said na Ghana and Central Jumaku no any day kwan so say na yitimi fa one single broadcaster eye na ho press conference ma me nda nyame ase nda me ma me ne me papa e bi ase ene mo a mo ye binua no ma ye firi kuma ase bankan say na say no me I'm the most important person in this country that the whole GJA Ghana Channel Giba Ghana Independent Broadcasters Association West African Foundation Media newspapers new printers the Writers Association we kushia invitation flag omo ye dey invite media houses no specifically Captain Smart na topic no na me hu ade no eye me mienu ye di kind of back at the mienu no concept bi na omo ye no and mama boso pono me menu ya hwe oman na ye tim ye yo oman ye nye political party and obi ansi obi afan so be ye NDC din obi ye MPP din nobody can stop anybody because Ghana 1992 constitution no it talks about freedom of association and so obi penal and oko and obi so ntimi hye obi say onto abama bobi wabra nipa ne pese oto abana Captain Smart bobi badro so otomase ye
it was
me maka and I am repeating that me NDC me intimate to abama NDC but me December 7th 2024 I will vote for John Dramani Mahama. I said it September 2016 I told the whole world that I will vote for His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. 2020 elections in September, I was at Angel. I said I will vote for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And I am saying that this year, whether Mahama will win or whether he will lose, it's got nothing to do with me. My only thing is that I will vote for John Dramani Mahama. Will you be our permanent? Dear, maybe I make on debate. It's as simple as ABC. Some ya me kai and then Crophobi meeting with Jubilee House, and I'm being specific. Say me, baby, a tangent na me kono, woman say be MPP. Na baby, a matic free na me kono. Me fa kwan bi so a Emma Mahama lose 2016 election. Na the same tangent na me kono and sha me mama ma lose. And omo ye meeting omo ye Jubilee House. Somebody from within the Bible catch me. And me catch GJA. Giba no mpanifo na year press conference and say information I mean yeah from Jubilee House and say I'm 213,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, Captain, how?
Oh, some of the information I'm at American.
How? 200.
Almost a boy, I'm about to make a chance and could be a Momuska.
John Ford, 213,000 Ghana cedis.
Information I mean, yeah, from meeting one can call you with Jubilee House or a year we are a fair woman. So, Mokoya press conference or Captain Smart. They were paid 213,000 Ghana cedis.
Now, 13,000.
Well, as to where there will be the trophy, there will be the tour and Katia Bogo. So, no matter I have no idea. This is the information I have. So, they should come and tell the whole world, say,
I see.
Anne, Yampa, Anne, and Yampa. No one with him. Yes, sir.
So, Pacha said they took money to execute an agenda.
To do that against me. Because in any case, when I did the measuring can, the measure ethical journalism and professional journalism. When the measure, when I had the judge, or measure ethical journalism and then professional journalism. People have said worse things in this country. Many and to be on your press conference. Yesterday, Napokan and I say about side for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Ntonche. You know very well, sir. Napokan say NDC for Kwakoyi candidate. Omukoyi candidate aba. Omenye ni papa pia nkoyi number to say John Dramani Mahama. When was that video no? And we a GJ president, we a Giba president, we a whoever. Now a former president of the land, Sebi Ebru Sebi Enyado, say or no why said them pa. What to be Bonting as a minister of state to catch them say, Ebinimu Koyi or more candidate, or when to be Papa Bia in Gidan Pamba. What is the definition of the Papa? Somebody who was a former president. Now, catch and say, now, and no dear, TJ for who says newspapers over. Or man who say, want to be a press conference. I not to Jama Minia. Get to Kuma, and you come here, say. Some is a phone can say. I can push out before Papa move with you. Not GJ Nikrumah. Not give a Nikrumah. Press conference men on my year. Oh, my press conference here. They say, there are a lot of radio stations, TV stations, presenters are, but we're so crying to be in Chuamoka. If you crack it, you back come by 1 year, June 4 year away. I don't know, June 4 year whole press conference. Seeking the interest of one association member, maybe a member of Ghana Journalists Association. That will be the very last association that we are seeing my join. May join be that. DJ, me whom fast will be a what DJ is what. As I said, me Coco join the DJ. Me who so fast will be. Number 2, newspapers are working on they can't even print. I did political newspapers and the TV printing stories and the newspaper industry is collapsing, including Daily Graphic as you see I'm no Casegrano. And yes, many as India, Daily Graphic of they think we don't know. We know. I know the DJ president keep up for the one can move here. So to me, I have press conference for home. They say I'm no Case. Petro boy is saying, as compared to years back. Nipa bread, a comedy nipa, and the DJ phone here. Adriana boy a day. People are suffering, people are dying. DJ and give an one can yes, sir. On a press conference for home, drawing the attention of government. Say, this is what is happening in society. Then I'm more home. Youth unemployment. Cost will crew you. Youth in Yejumania, and Mabuni bread will crew you. A common thing for. I know the DJ is who here. So say Yamanoka, there are nurses every school from 2020 basing now in Okase, Omodatifi. Teachers be every training college, Omodatifi, including doctors are buying a Casadom for Ukraine. Training women as medical doctors, no, they are still sitting at home. Medical doctors imposing women, and the DJ say, and they keep a 4 train 114 packers, 114. One say women who here, which is they can't organize any press conference. Drawing the attention of government. My brother, let me say this. You see, this useless, senseless, bogus, colloquial, monarchical mentality, it's about time. Yenina as of minor will rise up against it. Say Yanyanesa, Yabet now some Yama Ajin Samu, Nebedu Babino, Yen Yabebre. Say Yamino Cassi, and let's say Yamino Cassi. Issues are what grand necessary at general, and more money to be called it, and no GDA voting. issues are kesia. And then, if it is true, you went to do what? Take 213,000 Ghana cedis to organize a press conference about me, Captain Smart.
No, but Captain, do you think Obi to Sergeant for or your Chrome Force also obeji 213,000 Ghana cedis?
Nipa no bomb man no Jubilee House say you juma ya shisha mobi. And like I wrote in my
Facebook response.
They are doing their paymasters bid. Sentisa minia me presenter okrum ha. Say yes obi atwi obi ka. You say unya story kra on the GJ for president. You see unya story. I say we see actually that will be some years and so I publish it and I'm a
yeah.
And it's a way presenter. We are journalists. Now what's the now we call broadcast it. That's the way we say no man who should boom now call ya then away. You tell ka be sir.
I say almost share wa o say the obi obeto abama MPP bia ya aboa.
Oh, me bra. Say aban wo ho. Na aban enya sika over $77 billion in just 8 years. Now there's nothing to show her. Sa aban no ya aban be. Mama answer. Wa mama answer.
Onya say 70.
Opa, yemfa the current dollar rate.
Yeah.
From 2017, Ghana Revenue Authority, Omusika, Sika Bipri was 2018. 2017, GRA revenue was 69.8 billion Ghana cedis, almost 70 billion. And it has been so apart from 2018, around was it 59.8? They divide it. For 70 billion Ghana cedis, they divide by 15. So revenue saying Abaniaye. The Obenyano times by 8. We are for loans are buying way in billions of dollars. Financial Kahon. We are Brapons are buying the Saka, Financial Kahon. We are no Brad Grant. Yeah, more for our friend Kobe by. To an extent, say, Kotoka International Airport, in Nipa na all JJ COVID Husika, Udu Waya say test you with a whoop you, say vaccinate you, say you from $200 to $150, later to $100. That's the kind of another do what you're saying. You will come to appreciate that Sika buying win seminal, only God can tell how much. Necessary binding to me and first Africa no anye bribia a year monumental. This is what we are saying. One say Japadia ba kope Aumudi Jagana. I just want to know.
Okay, so John Fossey, just tell the person say why you just can went me and find anything monumental. But men can't say be asema and twaba man PP. As a year campaign.
Now some men are okay. As a man okay, I don't hear CNN. CNN more TV no so mo ka so mo to Obama Biden no mo ye adwuma be Jomfo oni krom ha wan support Obama that time no ye farmer and I no ye journalist that time no Jomfo no ye farmer 2016 na Jomfo na ni abere ofre ye shia or ye part of the NPP journalists and ye any meetings how to campaign for the New Patriotic Party to come to power no but no a mechanic. I'm not doing for no mechanic.
I was no kangrawa.
No, you see, this hypocrisy and sycophancy, no.
John for now 2016 oka MPP media team no.
No matter 2020 2018 kura be ya kura leading to 2020 elections no. Then a course. Pisano. Now to line so. Now no. Oh. Pisano what they friend bra. Any other topping one and no yejuma. Pentecost Elders Station and no yejuma.
Na on the other cabrena yejuma.
There be no what topping
Tobingo.
I think Pisano. Me pen true. Into me wouldn't me ya dear na yeah. May you never can come baby. Pisano on no John Ford. Hey, 2020 na or your carpentry.
And 2020 and your friends they won't to me. Efra your friend say John Mahama say John Mahama awo prekese on radio so na dwomfo no okroma. I see.
Me de me kan say hwe ye duru baby a say ya mbe ya ye the only two we have are these two leading political parties. Me am the Miami Party, Convention People's Party, ACPP. Yes, sure, say we meet with the flag bearer. Because we are in July, August, September, October, November. We are left with only 4 months to go to elections. Nobody can do any serious magic to do anything. What I say. And let truth be told, young can of Kuruma, and only idea a kum yen. And the way I question NDCH, we are question MPPH. It is a Obi MPP near. As I come on to because we MPP ding. Obi NDC near. As I come on to because we NDC. Minia, want to radio you so entity demand this in Benny for. When you be there.
Oh, so and you're fine, and you're fine.
If the thing is not good, you say it. What is Jumfo talking about? Sami Maka said, so who were a minister of state, yadi a buying security and a cabinet and no catch a former president. Say, Womo constitution ni papa pamba, Women ni papa pebia and Fana Mati say John Dramani Mahama. And Mahama yedi pabaya. Me former president, me NDC, Mahama is my former president. Kufuor is my former president. Nanado will become my former president. Baobel is very soon will become my former vice president. And Sir Obi Kojina baby. Na Obi na no kasa answer na. How would you forfeit? Koto de na budget meboa. Yemfa nto abem kwan mu. Na ade hye mbom bra. Yenya ntre de yemfa ka ata yemfa so. This is what we should preach against. Enye se kwaje smart muade o. Enye se me ntesofita ni menum ntesofita o menum but media who bu mine na wo say o mine na. Asese yi ntesofita na to nchen. Ye tintesu kokko kyerɛw. Ama next time what hona wo ya de anya. Wu koba biom so be di mampani a. Ubesua nyansa na wo hu say no o mine na me kodi animu se be buru se be anya do. Enye baby ye chenkate ton na me kwakoye CEO ho. Enye areho GJ fogu kroyim na maami a innocent woman a wenya accident yetimi atam na to ambulance m akohwe na gunwuram te se sebe bola so ade bi GJ fo ehunu sa ade no entimi anya ho press conference me Captain Smart as no mbeka wo matiti. And me, let me say this and repeat again. So nobody in this country, nobody under the sun can break my resolve. I am determined, I am focused, I am poised, I am ready, and nobody can ever stop me from anywhere. Unless, of course, me and Kasameko could do Bonibia, Minya Swakatia, but say, Payam and Namswa, ye born me as a gun a bit in your free baby papa. Emma May and my Niman no co hospital, 1 year drum pun. Now, na ya jew ye seize you aquala innocent child, not the hospital because no ma mean to me triano. Because it's a nobody under the sun can ever stop me. And I want to send this warning to Mujije for no. Me DJ. That is why I'm using the word Mujije no. Because me DJ, me DJ, me join media association bia okuma. Me person that me join bibia. I want to be my own so I can speak my mind if the thing is not good. If you think I've said something and you don't like it, that's fine. But you don't put a whole association together to go and organize a presser. How childish is this? This is so baby. You're too babyish. How? Because of saying 213,000 Ghana cedis. Nam penny 40 samo. Back what I say. Yet a quiet walk Ghana ha. A quiet walk Ghana ha. She unama boom na ekun boom na ekun boom na kwan na kun mpacho ye ni abaye otonyuma ne ho fefefe ye wu ya friend senkra. What's the name?
Ebony
nya kwan fun ne kun no. Ebony nya kwan fun ne kun no. If we have fixed that road anka Ebony ntiasia da. Where is the Ghana Journalists Association? Where is the Ghana independent, whatever, broadcasters, whatever they call themselves? Where are they? Can they for once sit down and reason with the ordinary Ghanaian? Ghanaians are dying. They need the media. Ghana for new Kabafo will be biabium. The NDC will do what they want to do. The NPP will continuously do what they want to do. It is up to the media for us to actually be on the side of the dying populace. And then these guys are sitting there because of what? The senior journalist, Maka or Aka, and they are two market to Jubilee House. They go there and they take 50,000 Ghana cedis a month. Every month, they go there and take 50,000 Ghana cedis. I've said it on my show several times. I'm telling any of them to come and challenge me. Senior journalist,
senior journalist for Bear.
Oh, that's how I own him. One more Jubilee House and 50,000.
I ain't for no. Captain. Some minimum crop cry. I tell you, I'll mention them. I ain't for no.
Me say, some that no me catch it. Say, Mami up to October. Obi ada kadem. Me na me catch it. So they catch it. So October not to go. Mami up to October. How we must say a can of kore. Ni a jai sika jijian. Yen can of kore wukum ha. Ye yen central for ye tron sem ni a can sem. Ebe buan nipa me nipa setema timi aye. Na sa wo ye presenter na o man who boom no akwaji 50,000 every month. O man who boom no akwaji 40,000. Na enkofo free him be sunlight. Udru one on sunlight e jisika na as a concert ticket. Is that how to Sunday your mind?
You waiting for waiting and somewhere Captain Smart community morning show host for the 2 fire a DJ at dinner fast food and nowadays and some about the 2 the cow said GCD so and our hand so when you subscribe ya Mr. Say over subscribe no like it not fee what share video no ama of so in your be actually also get me actually what you fire somewhere now home I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.